Hello students, good morning all of you. Now today we will solve some remainder problem of recap exercise. Some question I have solved in previous video and today we will complete this exercise, and this exercise is based on the concept of decimal which you have studied in previous class, as well as I have also explained the decimal in previous video. That what is decimal? Decimal is a fraction, so sometimes it is also called decimal fraction, and the fraction in which the denominator is the multiple of 10, it is called decimal fraction. And decimal number is the combination of two parts. First part is called whole part. A number which I have written in before the decimal is called whole part, and the number which I have written after the decimal is called decimal part. Okay, and the decimal point separates the whole part and decimal part. Now student, another concept which I have given also in previous video, that what is like decimal. There are two types of decimal, like decimal and unlike decimal. Like decimal means if the same number of digits, two or more decimal number are called like decimal if the same number of digits are given after decimal. Okay, and if the same number of digits after decimal are not given, then it is called unlike decimal. So keep in mind all the concepts. You have to add the following. So let's start. First of all, you have to add these decimal number. So student, these decimal number, first if you want to add any decimal number, then you have to check. You have to check that these decimal number are like decimal or unlike decimal. So student, after checking, these decimal are not like decimal, these are unlike decimal. So student, first of all you have to convert into like decimal, then after you have to add the decimal number. Okay, so how can we convert? First of all you have to pick that decimal number in which the decimal, after decimal, the digit comes in maximum type. So the digit is this, because in this decimal number there are 3 digits after decimal. So you have to convert all the decimal number like this. How can we convert? 78.87 means 78.870. So student, I have also explained that how can we convert. You have to put the zero after decimal, that for that this number is similar to this number. It means both the number have the like decimal. Both the number will become like decimal, because here it is also 3 digits and here it is also 3 digits. Okay, converting into like decimal, converting into like decimal, and it is also 28.800. It is also converting into like decimal, and this digit is, you have to write as it is. Student, keep in mind that if whole part is not similar to each other, then it is not necessary. It is no need to worry about that whole part is not similar. You have to check only decimal part. You have to check only decimal part, not whole part. Okay. Now you have to add 7, 9, 24 and 10, 18 and 25, 2, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11, 8, 19 and 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Now students, you have to subtract a decimal number this from this. So first of all you have to know about what is the Hindi meaning of this number, this statement. Sometimes many students write that the meaning of this is this. This is totally wrong, because you have to subtract this from this. It means if you want to say in Hindi, then 657.756 में से 235.532 सब्ट्रैक्ट यानी घटाना है आपको, ठीक है। तो आपको लिखना क्या होगा, इस तरह से लिखना होगा। दिस इज द राइट वे, ओके। सो many students have mistake, so this is the very key point if you want to subtract a number by another number. Now first of all you have to write this statement in as usual form like this: minus, and you have to check that both the decimal number are like decimal or not. So both the decimal number are like decimal, because there are 3 digits here also after decimal, and there are 3 digits also after decimal, okay. So both the decimal number are like decimal. Now you have to subtract, so you have to write decimal number in column like this, and you have to subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, and this is the answer. So student, before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Okay student, now we will move on our last question of this exercise, recap exercise. In this question number 10 is saying that what should be subtracted from this to get this. So student, this question is based on the, you have to find the unknown quantity. You have to find the unknown quantity, that you have to, what should be subtracted from this to get this. It means इसमें से क्या हम माइनस करें कि हमें ये मिल जाए, ओके। सो लेट मानते हैं, लेट द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर बी x, okay. So you have to find the what should be subtracted. Means you have to find the x for what should be subtracted, okay. Then according to problem, then from question you have to say that according to problem that what should be subtracted. So we have to assume x, so you have to subtract x from this to get this. Means 89.257 minus x is equal to this. Then x is equal to, you have to subtract this from this, then we will get x, the value of x, like 89.257 minus 27.287. Now you have to subtract. First of all you have to check that both the decimal number are like decimal or not. So both the decimal number are like decimal, okay. So you have to subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0, 5 minus 15 minus 8 is 7, here 1, it means 11 minus 2 is 9, and here 8 minus 1 is 1, and 8 minus 2 is 6. So the 61.970 is the number in that if you subtract this from this, then you will get this, okay. So student, I hope you all understand today, which I have solved some interesting question which is based on the decimal, and you have to solve some remaining question which I have left today by yourself. But before watching the these steps for solving all the remaining question. Okay, so thank you very much for being with us.